I heard about Andre's class at Florida School in, I believe it was 2010. It was one of the offerings out of numerous classes that were available that year. I knew I needed to learn more about my business. I was very, I hate to say it, ignorant when it comes to my business and marketing and just learning, it's about business. I mean, we're photographers and we love what we do and it's fun and it's wonderful, but it's really about business, and I knew nothing about business. Oh wow, the emotions the day I left school were just, I was excited, was scared. There was a lot of emotions. I was in a tiny way overwhelmed because I didn't believe that I could do it. I knew that I needed to do it, and I learned the skills that I needed to go home, but it was up to me to really take it and put it into place. So it was really a mix of emotions, but it was good emotion, and I knew that it was headed in the right direction. Moving forward, it's been 2 or 3 years since I took Andre's class. The results that I have are life-changing, and I am absolutely certain that I would not be in business today had I not taken that class when I did, because it has been phenomenal. It has just taken me places where I never thought I would be today. I made immediate changes when I got home, as scary as they were. It was, some of the stuff I had to do was kind of frightening and actually uncomfortable, but I knew I had to do it because I learned that it's about business first, and then we worry about the photography side because I've got that gift. The business side was a challenge for me, and I thank Andre. I can't believe that I've come so far in a short period of time, and look forward to taking another class soon because I understand that the program has been changed and there's some new things, so I think I'm going to be signing up pretty soon.